Hello guys, welcome to my channel and also welcome to my new video 2021. I was planning to upload some videos of 21 in this channel. Fresh start, nothing new. If you want to watch my old videos, feel free to, but I'll start from fresh and helping others instead. So today I'll teach you how to set up a Minecraft server using Google Cloud Platform. If you want to do it, then follow my instruction, and if you have any problems in the comment down below, I might try and help you guys. So first thing first, we have first Google Cloud Platform. Search up Google Cloud Platform. So go to the first one. So when you guys see this get started for free, click that. Keep in mind you need a valid payment so you can access it. So set the country and click continue, and now you have to enter your payment details and your billing. I'll enter mine right now. I'll meet you guys in the other side. Once you guys pass that part, well, you prompt to this page. Well, not really in this page, but you prompt with some sort of a similar page. We'll say your project, say my first project up on top. Yeah, totally. So next we have to set up a virtual machine. So first we had to go to the VM instance, then you have to wait for it. If it still says here, you have to wait for it to ready up. I'll meet you guys on the other side. Once your VM instance is ready, click create. And now we have to wait for our server to start up. Now once you prompt this page, now you can set up your own server now. So let's create a server name, any server name. So mine's gonna be server test, and then choose the region that is nearest to you for better connection. So I'm in Australia, so I choose Sydney. And zone, yeah, it doesn't really matter about it. I'll keep it same. So you can choose the series. You can choose any series you want. I'll say an E2. And then now you can choose any CPU and memory you need for your server, or you can choose a custom one if you want. But for me, this is only a test server, so I'm just gonna go to 2GB RAM memory. I don't need a lot. So next is the boot disk. If you want it, so go click change operating system. I prefer Debian or Ubuntu, but I prefer Debian because it's easy to use. Change the size to 24 or higher. It depends if you want the size. And then change to SSD present disk, or just do or any of here. But I prefer the SSD because it's preferable and then much easier for this to switch. I don't know, I'm not an expert, sorry. Next we go to management, the arrow thing. Go to networking, network tag. This is the most important one. You need those two. So mine's gonna be called server tag. Go to default, external IP, create an IP, then change anything, server test. Click reserve. This will create a server, the static IP address, which will become your server IP for your server. Now this is your server IP now, but still not functional because you need to do the stuff. Click done, then click create. Now it's creating the server right now. I'll talk to you guys once it's ready. Once your server test, it has to tick next to it. It says is this ready? It means it's ready. So go to SSH. This will prompt you to the console. Wait for it to ready up the VMware. This will probably take a while, but it's pretty fast, so it's so good. not slow, it's not fast, but it's still okay. Once you prompt to this page, now you have to set up a Java runtime environment so you can run your microserver. So first thing first, you do sudo apt update. You check some update on your thing and plus installing all the packages onto the server. This will probably take a while. Next, you have to do sudo apt-get install y default -jre headless. Instead that will install the headless JRE because you need both of them. And once this is finished, it's done. Now go to cd/home and then make it a directory by doing mkdir Minecraft. Click that. If you say you have permission denied, don't worry, you can just do cd/ and do sudo s. There you go. Now you are in the root, so you go to cd/home cd Minecraft. Not cd Minecraft. Now you have to do mk there are Minecraft. This will create a server. There you go. Now click ls to check all the list of the files. You'll see your username and the file that you created, Minecraft. So first we go inside Minecraft, so cd Minecraft. There you go, you insert a Minecraft file. And now we have to install the server.jar. So first thing first, we need to install wget, because some people doesn't have that installed somehow, like mine. So just in case, if you don't have it installed, do sudo apt-get install -y wget. This will install the wget. Now once it's finished, now we go to your browser, go mcversion.net, link in the description, and then click any. For me, I'll choose this 1.16.4 server hosting. Instead of clicking this, you right click it and click copy link. Now go back to your console and do wget this. Make sure you're inside your Minecraft file, otherwise it will be very messy to set up. Trust me, you should be in the Minecraft folder. Anyway, start it up, you create the server, there you go. But first, before we start our server up, because it's ready now, we had to let the console create the files. So we have first do java-xms. This is your maximum your minimum gigabyte. Let's do 1 gigabyte, and then your maximum gigabyte X will be, I'll say 2 gigabyte because I don't need a lot, and do the 64/jar server.jar nogui. Be sure to save this. So you guys can access the server. This is the way you start up the server. So click enter. If it's oh I did it wrong. Oops. It's meant I did it the wrong way. Damn it. Anyway, that's right. Okay, so again, just remove this part. So now you get your server jar. So just check in case you have the server jar. Yep, it's inside. Now first thing first, you do now you need to start your server app, so you need to install this thing. Do this, don't need that. And then there you go. Now enter. This will start up the server app. Just wait for the server to ready up. There you go. It says you need to agree with the EULA. So first thing, so check if you have the EULA file. Yep, it's in there. So we have to go to VI to view and EULA.text. It will prompt you to this page. Now click I to insert the text. Erase the false to true. Then click escape. Then colon W to save it. Then colon Q to quit. Now you quitted it. Now do the same thing again. And now the server should ready starting itself up. Now it's readying up. Just wait for the server to create the world. Yep, it's now working. It's now officially creating the world now. Wait for it to set up. Now you need to create a firewall rule. So first thing first, go back to your console, click this, find the one say PVC network. It will be down here. Now I'll just bring mine so it's easier for me to find it. It will be in the networking here. Go to firewall, then go wait for it to create, then click firewall rule. And then name, it will be any, you can choose any, doesn't really matter. Call Minecraft rule. Then you go down to the target. Then then you have to put your network tags that I mentioned before. Mine is server test. And then your server IP range 0.0.0.0/0. Then select TCP, then click 25565. That's the default listening for the microserver. If you change your, I'll talk to you more about that. Then click create. Once it's creating, you see it's loading. It's creating right now. And once the loading is gone, like that. Now go back to your virtual machine instance, and now the server should be up and running right now. So first we need to test it out. Go to test out. Test. Now click done. Let's keep refreshing it until it says a microserver in it. It should show up right now. Stupid. There you go, it works. Now the server is up and running. Let's test it by joining in. It'll take a while though. And now you're in the server. It shows in the console that you joined in. There you go, you're now in the server. You can break locks. What does it look like? Well, it's only a test, so it doesn't really matter. If you want to make it stronger, you can make it stronger. This is only for a test though, so it's weak. Now once you're in your server, you can actually do anything you want in the server now. Give up yourself. Oh yeah, that's wrong. Give yourself up. There you go. Now you'll open your server. You can do / game mode server. Oh wait, you're already survival. You can just do whatever you want in the server, in the world. There you go. Looks normal. It works normally. And now, if you want to stop this, now you can do anything you want in the server. You can click stop. There you go. So if you guys wondering, how do I host this 24/7? Because once you close this program, it would just crash this whole server. So that's when screening comes into play. So we need to start screening our server. So first thing first, go to a terminal. Make sure your server's off right now, and go do sudo first thing first, you need to do apt.get install /y.screen. This will install the screen for the terminal. And now you do screen /s, choose any, just I'll call it SCS, and copy and paste the thing that you start the server up, and click enter. This will create a new terminal and it will start up the server. And it means you can leave it 24/7 without anyone interfering your server. It means you don't need, so you can close your server, you can close your console anytime you want, and you can do whatever you want with the server regardless. It's yours anyway. Once it's ready, yep. It'll take a while though. The reason why it's slow because I choose a lower gigabyte of the server because I'm testing it only. So once the server is up and running, you join, you start connecting. There you go. Now you're in the server. You can do whatever you want in the server. And then if you want to leave it on, do Control A and then D. And now you're in your VM files. Usually just keep running, no lag. It's all good, running smoothly. And that's it. In the next video, I'll teach you how to modify your server files and transfer your old world into your server. And I hope it works though, because it takes a while. If you have any problems, leave a comment down below, and I'll try and help everyone as much as I can, whenever I can. No, I hope. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Don't need to subscribe because I don't really care about subscribing. I just want to help everyone out how to set it up. Leave a like, I don't really care. And yeah, see you guys later in the next video. Bye bye. Hello guys, here's a bonus tip for those who watch my whole video. So if you want a dedicated IP address instead of using this IP address, well, first thing first, you need to create a new. So first thing first, you need to get a domain. I prefer freenome because they have free domains. First, you go to freenome, then choose any domain you want. So mine's gonna be called I don't know, server test, some numbers because I'm not bothered. That's the server IP. You could choose any you want, so I'll choose check out. And then you can click any month until a whole year. I'm just doing 1 month because I'm testing it. Click continue. Wait for it to ready up. And now you enter your email address. once you got your domain, you show up in your servers, my domain. It will show your domains here. I already got mine, so it doesn't really matter. Go manage free GNOME DNS. It'll show up this page. Now go to your Google Cloud, copy this, and then paste it to the target. You don't need to change this at all unless you have a subdomain for it, but mine it doesn't have, so it doesn't really matter. Click save, and now you have to wait for it to register into the server, and then change this thing into this domain. So you don't need to enter this. Instead, you just copy this one right here into the server IP. Probably takes a while for it to start up, but that's gonna be the new server IP now. Let's say offline, but that's the other one. Direct. It'll take a while because I just changed it, that's why. It will become the new server. It works now. Now the server is now this server now. See? It's the same server though, so that's why. Same one. No need to change anything, it's the same one all the time. That's the bonus tip, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.